Samsung has finally had the full spec sheet of its Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra revealed, and with it comes one surprising detail that clears up a major mystery about the S Pen. For weeks, fans were worried because the early official image of the tablet showed no marking on the back where the S Pen usually attaches and charges. This raised the question of whether Samsung was abandoning magnetic charging and Bluetooth support for the stylus. Thankfully, that concern can now be put to rest. A new image of the upcoming Tab S10 Lite also shows no S Pen marking, but the stylus is still able to charge in the exact same spot. This makes it clear that Samsung is only dropping the physical outline on the back while keeping the full magnetic charging and Bluetooth functionality intact. For those who rely on the S Pen for productivity, this is a huge sigh of relief. As for the specs themselves, they come from a reliable leaker named Ahmed, who has a strong track record. The biggest highlight is that Samsung has managed to pack in a larger 11600 mAh battery while making the device even thinner at just 5.1mm. That's 0.3mm thinner than last year's Tab S10 Ultra. The design changes continue with the front camera, where the notch is now smaller. However, the dual camera setup from last year has been replaced by a single 12-megapixel camera. On the back, things stay familiar with a 13-megapixel plus 8-megapixel dual camera system. Other details confirm the premium nature of the tablet. 45-watt fast charging, 4 stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7 support, eSIM capability, IP68 water and dust resistance, and the fact that the S Pen is still included in the box. The biggest performance jump will likely come from the new MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset, while buyers can choose between grey and silver color options. Taken together, the main differences from the Tab S10 Ultra are the bigger battery, thinner build, redesigned notch, updated chipset, and the subtle S Pen design change. The Tab S11 Ultra isn't launching alone. Samsung is preparing a 3-model lineup that includes the Tab S11, the Tab S11 Ultra, and the more affordable Tab S10 Lite. The Lite model is shaping up to be a very compelling option because, despite its lower price point of around $400, it still supports the S Pen, and Samsung is including it in the box, a rare move at this tier. Even more impressive is Samsung's promise of 7 years of software updates. The Tab S10 series was introduced at the end of September last year, and Samsung has already announced a special press conference on the 4th of September at IFA. There's a real chance the Tab S11 lineup will make its debut at this event, meaning fans only have a few weeks left to wait. And while this update focuses on the Tab S11 Ultra, the story doesn't end here. Samsung is also preparing something even bigger for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, with changes that could redefine the Ultra series once again. For those curious about what's next, stay tuned for the upcoming S26 Ultra's video. Thanks for watching.